To create users in Impel, navigate to the Security section by clicking the security icon at the top. On the left navigation bar, you will see Manage Users, Manage Roles, and System Admin options. If this menu is not visible, click the chevron icon to expand the menu. Click on Manage Users. To create a new user, click on the Create Add User button in the upper right-hand corner. Enter the required information for the new user, which include email, which will also be their username, as well as their first name and last name. Then assign the user at least one role. You can assign multiple roles to a user as well. Once all entered, click the Create button. The user is now added, and Reset Password, Change Username, Make Primary Admin, and User Deactivation options become available. The newly added user will be presented with an email from support@gopmo.com to confirm or cancel their user account. When the user confirms their account, another email will be presented to complete the password setting process. A new browser session is open to create a password. They can now log into the application. Once logged in, the new user is taken to their customizable dashboard. Appropriate information panels can be added by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner or clicking on the link at the top.